trying to see, is this canceled? Alright. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I was too excited. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So basically, today I'm going to be doing like a head-to-head, baby, because y'all are telling me that GOT2B glue is like canceled. Nah, but a lot of y'all are telling me, Erin, have you tried this new product? It's like better than GOT2B glue. You gotta pick it up. Y'all have been sending me this, child, and I'm trying to see, is this canceled? So we are going to see. I have some things to do today, so I'm going to be wearing this stuff all day. I'm gonna do like a head-to-head wearing these two, and we're gonna see, like, you know, is it canceled or not? What is this gonna do? So let me get to the specs of this, and this stuff was $4.44, okay? This is the Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco. Flexible styling SNOT, okay? That's what it looks like. It says smooths hair, controls edges, tightens, frizz, provides exotic shine. But people are telling me that you can put this on as, like, you know, for your wig, just like the GOT2B glue. So we're gonna see. It says alcohol free and flake free. Okay, so we're gonna test it, guys. I'm not doing anything special. I'm not doing any kind of special treatment. I'm going to apply this the exact same way I apply my GOT2B glue. The exact same steps I take. I'm not cutting cordings. I'm not doing anything. Okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply it. I already have makeup on, guys. Every time that I apply GOT2B glue, I already have makeup on. So, and it holds the exact same way. So I don't want people to say, oh, you have to clean your hairline first, you have to do this, you have to do that. I'm putting it head to head, okay? I'm going to do the exact same things that I would do when I would use the GOT2B glue, because y'all are saying going head to head. So we about to ding, ding, ding. We about to now, so I won't get things confused. You may think this is a little dumb, but I have a lot of things to do, and when things get to run across my mind, I don't want to get anything confused. So I'm going to draw on this wig cap. Then we Gucci. I know it looks dumb, but it's okay. All right, so that's just for us to reference so we can do it right. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this Cream of Nature, guys. I'm excited, okay, because this seems like you get more in there than this. I don't know. Maybe it's the same. All right, so let's get started. It has a little smell to it. Actually doesn't smell bad. The consistency is just like a GOT2B glue. That's exactly how it feels. But no, it doesn't smell bad. I am just going to apply it just like I would the GOT2B. Okay, guys, so I have applied my two little gels, okay? This is my, we're just gonna say argan oil, whatever, Cream of Nature, and this is the GOT2B glue. All right, so that's what that argan oil side looks like. It's like a yellowy, like, color. All right, so this is my GOT2B side, and I'm just gonna go in and blow dry, guys, and yeah, let's blow dry. Alright, guys, so it is a little tacky. I don't want to, let me grab my wig. I don't want to blow dry it too much, but I always do it like this, and I'm just going to get my wig and I'm going to, like, lay the baby hairs back. But anyways, I don't want to dry it too much because I like it to be a little bit wet, and I place my wig on it and then I finish drying it then, okay? So let me get this wig together. A few things about it right now. When I laid down my GOT2B just automatically stuck, okay? Now with this stuff, I had to kind of go back in a couple spots, and I had to apply more, blow dry, apply more, blow dry. With my GOT2B side, I did not have to do that, okay? So just keep that in mind. Not a super big deal, because I mean, if you don't apply enough of GOT2B, the same thing will pretty much happen. Anyways, yes, not a huge deal, because as I stated, you know, the same thing could kind of happen with GOT2B. Sometimes you may have to add a little bit here and a little bit there. But, you know, I don't know. My GOT2B, yeah, you guys already know, it's just like, it's stuck. I didn't have to worry about anything. It was down. So, anyways, guys, we're just going to test this out. We're going to see how it goes. I'm going to go run some errands, go to this meeting. I'm going to really put it to the test, okay? And see how it does. But so far, I mean, this side is down, honey. It's really, really down, okay? And it feels super, super secure. I really hope this is a go because I would love to start using it. It would be awesome, awesome, awesome to start using it, okay? So anyways, yeah, it is laid down. I'm gonna lay me some baby hairs and stuff, and I'm gonna go to this meat, and then we're gonna come back and we're also gonna take it off together and see how that goes too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I may look tired because I am tired. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I have to get ready for work in like 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and get this review out the way, okay? This is going to be my updated review. It's been 2 days that I've been testing the SNOT, okay? So this is what the SNOT looks like, and also the GOT2B glue, okay? So it's been 2 days, and I feel like I can really come back and give you all, it's almost been 3 days, and I feel like I can really come back and give you all a good review. I've showered in this week. I have slept in this week. I have not took it off. That's why it looks all raggedy now, because I have not been tying it down. I just been going through the motions, okay? But when I get in the shower, y'all know I do tie my hair down. I don't want y'all to think it's just waterproof, because it's not. Alright, and I think I'm ready to just give my wrap-up review. Alright, so this is the wig now. This is the GOT2B side. This is the SNOT side. Both sides are, y'all, I'm tugging. Both sides are definitely still holding on. I think that that's just crazy. I think that's just crazy. Both sides are holding on. Like, I know my baby hair look amazing, but both sides are definitely there. So let's just get into the review. Now with the SNOT, guys, I can honestly say I like this stuff. Both of these, I can say though, have a very similar like hold. I don't really too much see the difference, okay? But you know how this kind of gets like you can't really move your forehead. I feel like this is a little bit softer on the forehead, like it gives you a little bit of mobility. That's how I kind of feel. The 2.5 days that I've worn it, it kind of felt like this one could kind of move a little bit more, but the hold is definitely there. I love this stuff. Now I'm not saying that I'm going to just stop using this GOT2B glue all around because I like both of them, but I'm definitely adding this to my collection because I like it. Y'all, I seriously like this stuff. If you have not tried, this is not sponsored by the way, okay? I just picked this up for a review. If you have not tried this, I would definitely recommend you go try this because this right here has a really good hold. I mean, it's good. It's good. I'm not straight canceling out this because I like this, and it's really hard to choose which one. But this one seems like more comes in it than this. Seems like you get a better value. This is only $4. I can't remember how much the GOT2B is. But anyways, would definitely recommend you get this and try this because it's freaking awesome and I love it. Okay? So, yeah, guys, I really hope that this review helped you. Like I said, I've had this wig on for almost 3 days testing these two out, and I have not had any problems or any complaints. Freaking love it. Freaking love it. This ain't canceled, but I freaking love this. All right? Take that for what it is. I know everybody about to go freaking buy this stuff. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I will see if I can find some links for this. That way y'all can just go ahead and pick it up because I know that I thought this was at Walmart because somebody told me it was at Walmart and it wasn't at Walmart. So, yeah, I will let you all know. I will try to put some links for this. So, yeah, guys, take that for what it is. I definitely like the product and I will be using it more often. All right. Oh, I said that I was going to take the wig off for you. Let me take it off for you. Let's see. This is just water in here, just water, a little bit of conditioner. And as y'all can see how water soluble it is, like it's already like coming up. And that's what I love about this stuff. Ooh, the hold is like, it's still there. Sorry guys, that's my phone. So I'm just getting the, oh my gosh. OMG. Oh. Okay. The Creme of Nature side. Okay. It's there. It's definitely there, and it is not trying to budge. Okay. Let's go back and tackle this side. Let's see. Alright. Ooh. Alright, so we got it all off. Alright. They both kind of try to come up the same way as like when you're removing it. That Creme of Nature side was definitely stuck. The Creme of Nature side was definitely stuck. Okay, and my edges look a little red. I think it's because I was trying to get it off. But anyways, let me show you all the lace. Alright, so that's what my lace looks like. As y'all can see, the product gunked up on there. And an easy way to get that off is you just run your lace under super hot water and it melts off. And that's it. If you don't want to run it under hot water, you get a towel. I get a towel with like a bowl of water, a cup of water off to the side. And I like dip the towel in there and then wipe the lace and voila. It comes off. No struggle, no hassles, no nothing. So this is what the hairline looks like. I said it's kind of red over here. And that's okay, but I got some of the little gunk in there, which I'm just gonna go in with some water, and I'm just gonna like get that off. So these are the two sides. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think about this product, how you feel about it, and will you be trying it? And I'll definitely see you on my next one. Bye.